Good morning, everybody. It's Fun Friday, and Jimmy Dag is here to share our stats. Oh my gosh, our stats. Okay, so let me rearrange things, Jimmy.
Okay, you can take me out so you make it bigger.
Okay. Come on, mouse. Jimmy, you and I have so much fun with technology, right?
Yep.
Oh, come on. Hide you. Hide Fun Friday. Hide the stats. And there we go. Okay. Well, we have 22 days of inventory, which is absolutely fabulous. And we have listed 113 single-family homes yesterday, and 47 of them were $450,000 or under, which is fantastic. I'm still sticking with 450. I know that we're looking around 465, but I'm sticking with 450 until the end of the month. Just so you know, we're selling $4 million homes per day. We're getting up pretty much close to 4.5. So we're going to probably pick up speed here the next several weeks. So I think we're going to maybe get up to the 5-figure. Who knows? We'll see. That's my prediction. Anyway, the investors are still buying 45 homes a day, those non-owner occupieds. And I have to tell you, that is such a fantastic farm that you could have. You can go into Remine and get the people, the mom and pops. There's I think Tom Ferry said 80% of the, let's say we sold 7 million homes last year. That's unbelievable. And in the United States, 20% of the market is non-owner occupied, which is a huge market. So if you go into Remine in your MLS and you can pull out the non-owner occupied owners, and you can call them up. You can use your title company to get phone numbers, and you can call them up. You can send them a letter, but they're like bottom line, right to the point. I think it's just a great untapped market that many of our realtors don't realize that they could tap into, because those people that buy 1 or 2 or 3 homes, those are not the institutional buyers. So. And they don't know maybe what the equity they have, that maybe they could refinance and take some money out of the 1 or 2 that they own and buy a 3rd one. Anyway, lots of opportunities for everybody. I'm just jazzed. We listed 163 properties yesterday. I'm beside myself on that one. Because that means, and Jimmy, you can hear, I'm going to bring you up to, that means that people are not afraid to list their homes, right? I mean, that means that they think that they can find a home to buy, right?
Or that they think that the price appreciation is going to stop. One or the other.
Yeah. Well, Tom Ferry said today that there's 1.5 million homes in the United States under construction. Wow. That's an amazing number. He said he said it hasn't been that high since 2004 and 5. So that's good news, because we have so much backlog of buyers sitting there as sellers with all that equity in their homes, and they want to buy. So, that's why I'm jazzed. There's 22 days of inventory. Hopefully we're going up in the number. What do you think?
I think it may be an anomaly. We'll just have to. I think when we look at it daily, it's more beneficial to look at it maybe every 2 weeks and just look at a trend every 2 weeks, because daily there's a big fluctuation. But if we looked at it the 15th and the 30th, or the 5th and the 20th, or something like that, it might be more of a even graph.
Yeah.
There's not as much volatility.
Yeah. That's why I like to do how many homes we're selling per day. We're selling 128. We're closing 128 homes a day. And that's a real stable market, in my opinion. Last year was more, but I think last year was the anomaly because of the pent-up pandemic backlog. I think that people just didn't know what to do. And then when they felt they knew what to do, then they started really moving and buying. So we'll see, though. We'll see. You just never, ever know about this market. And
that's why that's called reversion. That's called reversion to the mean. That last year was so big that it was predictable that this year would slow down a little bit and go back to what it was before a little bit. So I didn't expect more sales this year than we had last year. I think last year was going to be our record for a while.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, 50,000 plus homes were sold last year, and that is resales. And I think we figured 62,000, including the new homes. That's a
Yeah.
record.
Yeah.
And but the show the other day I showed where they're predicting 5 to 6,000 people to continue to move here, or net gain of actually a net gain of population. So I mean, people will move, but the net gain is going to be 5,500 to 6,000. That's incredible.
Yeah. It's all those numbers you had. Yeah.
Yeah.